She keeps on stabbing at the phone all night, wondering when he'll be coming home. No, he's out all night having fun with friends, and he doesn't know how much it means to her. And she's stressing out, and he doesn't mind. And if she gives her love, will he pick it up or let it go? No. And if he sets it free, will she keep on holding on until he realizes that this is cause this is true love. This is true love. Out of frustration, she walks out. She slams the door, she ain't turning back. She's buying drugs, she's getting high, and she doesn't even care. But now they realize that it's hard for one to wait without hope. It's hard to breathe, it's hard to live when your heart is broken. Yeah, my heart is broken. Yeah, my heart is broken. Yeah, my heart's broken. Yeah. Now that he's giving his love, will she run with it or run away? No, 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 no. But she knows he's the one, and she's his too. So why fight? Why break? Why cry? 'Cause this is true love. 'Cause this is true love. 'Cause this is true love. 'Cause this is love, 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 yeah, love.